Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the OneSpan Mobile Authenticator app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. OneSpan Mobile Authenticator is a security-focused app designed to provide secure two-factor authentication, 2FA, for online accounts. It generates time-based one-time passwords, OTPs, supports push notifications for easy approval, and integrates with enterprise and personal accounts for added security. The app also emphasizes encrypted credential storage and offline functionality, allowing authentication even without an internet connection. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate its robust security features, straightforward setup process, and support for multiple accounts. The push notification feature simplifies login approvals, and the app's clean interface makes it easy to navigate. Many users also value that OneSpan aligns with industry-standard security protocols, making it a trusted option for both personal and enterprise use. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users find account recovery challenging if the device is lost or reset. Certain enterprise configurations may require IT support for full functionality, and casual users may find the app's feature set more complex than necessary. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the OneSpan Mobile Authenticator app may be worth using if you need a secure, enterprise-ready 2FA solution. It excels in security, multi-account support, and offline access. However, if you prefer a simpler or fully consumer-focused authenticator, some features may feel more advanced than required. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.